Hey, young historians, Mr. Moran here. Today we're going to be learning about Amendments 11 through 21. But first, let's be clear when we're talking about the Constitution. The Constitution is not broken into segments. Our Constitution includes the Bill of Rights, Amendments 1 through 10, and all the amendments. And so as soon as an amendment has been made, it is added to that Constitution, and so it's considered part of the Constitution. It's just for teaching purposes. We break it up. We break it up into the Constitution, the Bill of Rights 1 through 10, and then all the amendments 11 through 27. We break that up to help you understand it better. So we have learned that Amendment 5 in our Constitution explains the process by which changes are made to the Constitution. These changes are referred to as amendments. So far, there have been 27 changes to our Constitution, but there have been close to 10,000 proposed amendments to our Constitution since 1789. Today, we will be learning about those amendments passed after the Bill of Rights. So those are amendments 11 through 27. But to help us, we will break this down into two sections. So we will only focus on amendments 11 through 21. Tomorrow, we're going to learn about amendments through 27. In fact, the video you watch will take you through all the amendments, but again, you're going to stop at amendment 21, or after you finish 21. There's one term you need to know, and that is the term servitude. This term is used in the 15th Amendment, and it means a person who lacks liberty, such as an enslaved person. What you will do is you will view the video in the quiz and answer the questions about amendments 11 through 21. For this assignment, you will only need to view the video until 352, because like I said, it continues on with the other amendments. You can watch it if you want, but you don't need to. We'll cover that tomorrow. So if you have any questions, ask your teacher. And I know you got this. We'll talk to you later, Wildcats. Bye.